Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Simplified. Today's topic is one of the most important conversations happening in 2025. How AI will change people's lives in two very different ways. Some people are going to use AI to become wealthier, smarter, and more successful than ever before. But at the same time, many people will lose opportunities, fall behind, and struggle to keep up with this massive change. This video is here to help you understand why this is happening and how you can be on the winning side of this AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tech topic. People who are open to learning and experimenting with new technology are finding creative ways to improve their careers and businesses. They are using AI as a personal assistant to save time, or as a business partner to scale their services. The internet made some people extremely successful because they learned how to use it for business, communication, and education. At the same time, some people ignored it, and they missed out on incredible growth. The same story is happening again with AI, just much faster. Or will you watch others grow while you stay stuck in old ways? Have you started using any AI tools? Are you learning new skills? Or are you just starting your AI journey? Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, people who are afraid of AI or stuck in old habits, avoid it completely, thinking it's too complicated or risky. First, spend time learning about AI tools relevant to your work. Those who understand this will have more opportunities to earn, grow, and succeed. Those who ignore it will struggle in a world that is moving ahead without them. There are free tools for writing, researching, designing, video editing, and even coding. Second, practice using AI daily, even for small tasks. This will help you become more comfortable and creative with it. Third, focus on developing human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, because those skills are still extremely valuable and cannot be replaced by it. This decision limits their opportunities without them even realizing it. It is becoming a part of everything we do. Work, education, health, entertainment, and even the way we think. It's the way people use it that makes the difference. If you are someone who decides to learn how these tools work, experiment with them, and apply them in your daily life, you will see improvements in productivity, learning, and possibly income. But if you avoid AI, you'll be competing against people who are working 10 times faster and smarter than you. Companies around the world are investing billions into AI, and every week, new tools are coming out that can save time, make money, or improve efficiency. People who used to write blogs in for hours can now do it in 30 minutes. Companies are quickly shifting towards automation because it's faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Many businesses no longer need people for basic data entry, customer service chats, or simple graphic design tasks, because AI tools are already doing those jobs. People who refuse to adapt or learn new skills are finding it harder to get hired or keep their current jobs. Designers are using AI to generate drafts instantly, saving energy for creative adjustments. Even YouTube creators are using AI to generate scripts, titles, and ideas much faster. All of this leads to faster delivery, more clients, more projects, and higher earnings. But this fast progress also comes with a choice. People who understand how to use AI will open new doors in their life. People who ignore it or misuse it will find themselves stuck and left behind. One of the main reasons AI is making people rich is because it allows you to do more in less time. Entrepreneurs are building entire businesses using AI tools that help with content creation, marketing, customer service, product research, and even code writing. What used to take 5 people and 5 days now takes 1 person with 1 tool in 1 hour. That means less time spent on boring tasks and more time focused on smart decisions that generate income. Freelancers and creators are also using AI to multiply their income. On the other hand, AI is also replacing jobs that depend on simple, repetitive work. Another reason AI creates such a gap between people is the difference in mindset. It's important to understand that AI itself is not the reason people succeed or fail. In simple terms, AI is like a tool, just like the internet was 20 years ago. If you want to be in the winning group, there are 3 simple actions you can start today. The future of AI is not about replacing people completely. It's about helping people become faster, smarter, and more capable. So which side will you be on? Will you let AI make you smarter, more productive, and more successful? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI in your life. If this video helps you see things more clearly, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to AI Simplified for more helpful videos like this every week.